Most people don't fail because they are not talented. They fail because they are running on autopilot mode. They wake up, they scroll social media, they go to classes or work, then come back home and repeat the same cycle for years. They fail because they never start. You need to start to get something achieved. The comfort trap. People just don't want to accept the same loop they are continuing for years. They just want to continue the same. If you will not exit the loop, how will you know bahar kya hai? How will you know what the new opportunities are, what the new skills are? If you'll explore that thing, then you will know. Remember, our parents used to send us different cities for education, maybe for colleges or something else. Why? हमें वहाँ जाके पता चलता था यहाँ पे भी कुछ अलग एजुकेशन नहीं है. But why did they send us? Because if you step out of your house or your comfort zone, then you'll know the exposure, the things that are running around you or around the world, the new things that you'll expose yourself, that will not be at your home. Second is consumption versus creation. हमारी जनरेशन में ना जो भी हम करना चाहते हैं उसके अराउंड रिसोर्सेज बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. हाउ टू डू, व्हाट टू डू, व्हाई टू डू, all this. And most people, what they do is they consume the thing they want to do. If my desire is doing something, let's say X, then I'll just revolve around how to do X, why to do X. So people don't take action on that. They just keep on revolving on the same pattern, making their mind believe that they are doing it, but actually they are not doing it. They are just believing that they are making it work or taking action on it, but the actual reality is you're not doing anything. So it's an illusion your mind creates, whatever you want to do around it. Most people consume the thing they want to do, but they don't create or they don't take action on it. Let's say people X is into business and he sees all the thing around business, whatever is happening around the world, whatever it is, how to start, he knows everything. But the thing is, he is not taking action. He is not willing to take a step into starting a business. How will it work? Your mind will just keep on repeating, you're doing it, but actually you're not doing it. The point comes fear of judgment. What people will think. 4 लोग क्या कहेंगे, और वो 4 लोग भी यही सोच रहे हैं कि अगले 4 लोग क्या कहेंगे. Why to think about people we don't know about? They are fearing the same thing. So everyone around you is fearing the same thing, that 4 people, what will they say? People worry too much about what others will think. Rather than thinking about all this thing around you or what will people say, just take action on it. Maybe people get inspired from you, oh you did, so they can also start. They might be thinking the same thing, what will you think or what will others think, so they are not starting the same thing. So if you start, maybe you can inspire somebody. So rather than thinking all this around you, what will people say, you can just start doing work on yourself and gradually you will get results.